What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. So basically, I got those drawer slides all done. This is the stuff I use on locks and hinges and slides like that. It's dry lube, 3-in-1. It doesn't collect dirt is basically what this stuff's supposed to do, as opposed to WD-40, or I use Croil oil is my go-to. So in this video I'm going to show you a quick tool really quick, and then I'm going to show you in my new house I have a hot water heater that I'm not used to, and in the master bathroom we don't get hot water quickly, and sometimes like I'll turn on the shower and there'll be no hot water. I'll take a cold shower, and I think it's because all my kids and everything got their showers took too long, but then you go turn on a sink somewhere and there's plenty of hot water. So I'll show you what I think the solution will be, but I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'm going to try. But anyways, so you guys remember this Hawkeye cordless 3.6 volt screwdriver. This thing worked amazingly for anything from installing ceiling fans, electrical work, all that type of stuff, just doing outlets and stuff. It's just, it's a screwdriver. You can use it as a screwdriver as well. You just can't use it as a pry bar, which is what I did. Everything, and it's not so much that it couldn't be put back together. It was just when I went to use it as a pry bar, the body split and there's a ton of things that went flying, springs and stuff, and I just couldn't put it back together. Anyways, another company I enjoy, Nico, they make the exact same thing. I've been using this thing around the house. It is great for around the house. It's a hex driver, 1/4 inch, so you can remove the bits just like an impact driver, and it comes with a flathead and Phillips head, so for around the house type of stuff, it's just a handy dandy little tool that works well in my opinion. And I just installed 2 ceiling fans with this and did all the drawer work. I also snuck this in with doing a little bit of the drawer work, and gotta say, so far so good. Anyways, I think it's about $30 though on Amazon, where I forget how much this was, but it wasn't close to it. You can kind of tell, I don't know, it's not showing up too well, but I did get good use out of this while it was alive. You can see the dirt and grime. But what I was most impressed about, and I held on to this, was the innards. I thought were made particularly well. So here's the bit that came with it, standard bit, I'll keep that. Here is the hex drive shank. So you can see it's a planetary gear set, but I mean this is a metal piece here. It's heavy, like it has a good weight to it. You can see there's bearings down there, right there. And then you just have LED light, board, battery, the little motor. There you go. No markings on it or anything, just 2 lines in, 2 lines out. Good to go. I'm not sure what the cell is. I mean, it's 3.6 volt blue. And here's the switches and stuff. And this, but there's a few springs and stuff that just aren't in there. I don't know. Looks like I could maybe go through it and see what I can do. But the thing worked great. And it's just, it was a lot more like, this metal piece has weight to it. It's a nice weighted piece, and I was just very impressed when it actually fell apart of what it was. So anyways, let's go on to the next thing. Alright, here's the next thing. So it's a PowerFlex. It's a 40-gallon hot water tank, but it's power vented, so it heats up very quickly. It really does. Some things I've had done since I've moved into the home: I got a Remy Halo put in on my furnace, and then I also got a humidifier installed. I did not do that. He used a shark bite for it. I'll probably change that out eventually. I did put both of these new valves on and a new expansion tank, and I put this on. It wasn't with that. This said 3/4, but I guess it's CPVC or whatever, because I bought 3/4 PVC because I was going to run the line over to the drain, drop it down in. So I have to redo that. And I put this on pressure relief valve. The old one did not work at all, and I also put a new valve on down there because that one did not work either. So basically though, like I said, I have trouble, and also I sweated this off to get this on, and I have a leak, a little bit of a leak there. I'm waiting for the township to come out and locate my main water shut off outside, because the guy put 5 inches of topsoil and I can't find it. But coming into the house, I want to put new ball valves on, and I also want to put water pressure regulator on, because I'm shooting about 120, which just no good for the plumbing and all that. Anyways though, so my solution to that slow hot water is on, and I got this off of Amazon. It's just a little pump, so I'm gonna stick it, somewhere right about there. I'll move that up a little bit, and the other part you buy to that is this is a sensor valve. You set it up at the farthest away sink in your home, so basically the water inlet goes there, outlet there, and then these shoot up to the sink that it's at, and then you attach it to the wall, and that way it kind of has a check valve. So basically though, in theory, that should give you constant hot water at your taps and in your shower. And that's something that once I get this all done, should be good to go. It's a solution to a problem I have. My other idea was, I got the room in here. I was going to buy just 2 40-gallon tanks and run them in series. But I think we'll do good here. I'm not sure if it's going to work. If it doesn't, I'll let you know, but I'll bring you through the process of whenever I hook it up. Get a chance to, at least. I wish this wasn't leaking. I just got hit that with some heat, and hopefully the solder just sucks right back in. And then up top, see, this is stuff I do in my houses that I live in. Like right there, that's the fridge line. It's a compression valve. I'm going to take that out, put a screw copper, and then I'll have a screw on 1/4 inch valve, and then I'm going to put an inline 5-year filter on that on top of the fridge filter to just get more life out of it. Then up here there's a saddle valve there, and there's one over here. I'm going to cut those out and just get rid of them because they suck. And so yeah, that's it. That's all. And catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Later.